Hi guys, welcome back to Gadgets 101. This is Anubhav and it's been quite some time since we have last met. So today I'm going to make a video on a very essential accessory which is the wireless keyboards. And I know there are so many other wireless keyboards in the market. You go on Amazon, you go on Flipkart, you just write wireless keyboard and you are flooded with options. But the truth is, only a few of these are actually usable. The quality and longevity of these wireless keyboards is of prime concern. You can get a wireless keyboard for just 1500 rupees from good manufacturers. There are manufacturers like Dell out there who are pushing keyboards for just 1300 with a mouse combo, but they do not last very long. You see those comments 3 months, 2 months into the product and they are absolute trash. So today we are going to talk about a very good keyboard in the market, which is the Logitech K380. So guys, as you can see, this is a very minimal keyboard. The profile is very slim from the sides and the overall area of this keyboard is actually equivalent to a laptop keyboard. So this is very small size, and just for comparison I have my iPad over here, and if you can see, this is almost of the same size as the iPad. It goes well with the iPad. So let's talk about this, and I have a couple of pointers over here and I want to address those. So firstly, let's start off with the pricing of this device. So this costs you around 3200. So without any further ado, let's take a deep dive into this keyboard and let's see what all it has to offer. So on top of it, we have the colors. There are 4 color options. You can go with the black one, there's a silver one, and there's a rose gold along with this very unique blue color. I went with the blue one for obvious reasons. It is actually matching my color of the iPad here. The next thing is the keys layout. So the layout is actually pretty much fine, but if you see the design of the keys, it's circular. It reminds you of those Google keyboard accessories that came out, and it's actually very unique, I'd say. As far as typing is concerned, I did not see any kind of getting used to it. I think it's just like your regular keyboard, just the corners are rounded off, so you don't need to actually adjust to typing on this keyboard. Moving on, we have 3 channel pairing. So right now, as you can see, there are 3 buttons of different colors. So these are to signify 3 different connectivities. So right now I am on channel 2, which is connected to my iPad. We have channel 1, which is connected to my MacBook, and channel 3, which I am using with my Windows PC. So I can simultaneously switch between all these 3 channels. So I can have 3 different devices on with the Bluetooth on, and I can seamlessly switch in between them. It is a very good feature, I must say. Moving on, we have the multimedia keys. So these are dedicated multimedia keys if you are connecting it to your Android smartphone, if you are connecting it to your other smart devices. So you have multitasking keys, you have the clear RAM button, we have the option to undo our actions, we have multimedia scrolling, the play, pause and the fast forwarding buttons. This is very convenient, and if you are planning to use it with your iPad, or I'll say if you are planning to use it with your smart TV, this is a very good keyboard to have. And at last, we have the support for devices. So as I've already told you, I'll again explicitly mention it. This keyboard can connect seamlessly to your Mac OS, to your iPad OS, to your Windows PC, to your Android TV, and even your Apple TV devices. This is a great way if you are having a smart TV and you do not want to press all those buttons on your remote just to find that perfect YouTube video. Just pair it, it's seamless pairing, and you can directly go ahead and search for your YouTube videos over there. So I'll also show you, this is the keyboard on-off button. So this is currently on, and if you want it to off, you can just toggle it and it's off. The batteries come over here, 2 sets of AAA batteries, and Logitech says these batteries will last you for at least 18 months. Thinking about the use that you are going to have it, I think the battery usage might be slightly different for you. If you are a heavy user, certainly it will finish before 18 months, but I think it's got you pretty covered. Now moving on to the different buttons we have. So we here are having Alt button, which is also acts as a command button for your Mac OS. We have the control button, which also gains as an alt button for your Mac OS. So in terms of usage, you do not lose out on any functionality per se. The only drawback that I feel is for the number keys. We do have an array of the number keys, but we do not have a number pad. So if you see, most of the competition in this price range is offering out a dedicated number pad in the keyboard itself. I think this is an opportunity that Logitech didn't leverage to its use. But again, if had they used that, probably the design would have changed, the minimal look would not have been there. So it's a trade-off. Now talking about the competition is really stiff over here. We have manufacturers like Lenovo, HP and Dell. Everyone pushing out the keyboards at around 1500 rupees or 2000 rupees, and they're offering you a mouse as well. But guys, there's always a difference between quality and quantity. What you are getting here in this Logitech K380 is quality. If you are one who feels that quality matters and you want this to last you for at least a couple of years, I'd highly suggest you to go for this Logitech K380. That's it guys, thank you for joining, and if you derived any kind of value from this video, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel. Until next time.